High wind warning in effect from 2 a.m. Saturday to 5 p.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 2 a.m. Saturday to 5 p.m. Sunday. Timing and wind gusts will gradually strengthen early Saturday morning, reaching near 60 miles per hour at favored locations adjacent to the Rocky Mountain front. Wind gusts will taper to around 30 miles per hour later Saturday and Saturday night, then become stronger on Sunday morning. Wind gusts on Sunday will exceed 65 miles per hour at times. Other impacts: strong crosswinds will cause difficult driving conditions for high-profile vehicles. Locations affected include Choteau, Browning, Marias Pass. To see a graphical representation of this hazard, please go to our webpage and click on the Detailed Hazards tab. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.